That's how they replace this turn signal bulb here. Pull the cover off. It should be this one here. Just a half turn. Pull it out. We get the new bulb here. See the notches. It's only one filament, so make sure it's all the way in, and then twist the bulb a little bit to lock it in. And you're just going to put back in the hole with another half turn the other way from taking it out. I know it's dark. I'm also trying to do it one-handed. So this bottom one is the turn signal. This one would be the brake and tail light.